Jojo Car is back with another video, man, and I definitely already started. If you guys check out my fucking live, bro, you would know that I already started this wide body kit. I've definitely done a wide body kit already, and I was really nervous to just drill some holes into this mug, but it is what it is, bro. It has to get done. You feel me? So we gonna get it done. Right now, I have to take off this other side, but before I take off this other side, I'm gonna show you guys. You guys see some kit parks. Wait. Make sure before we really start this video, make sure you guys. Oh, y'all didn't see that. I might have broke some parts, my fat ass. I just fell on my parts and wide body. Mint. Anyways. I really thought I could relax on this box. All right, but make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, Jojo Cars, JoJoCars. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We on that road to 100,000 right now, so make sure y'all do that. I maybe should have brought a flash over here, but y'all will get the point. I'm gonna also be showing this tomorrow. I may or may not just tape it up today so that I could just mock it up and set myself up for tomorrow. And I'm gonna also flip the car as well. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I also really have to work on this dent, so I'm gonna put some heat on this dent right here and try to just knock it out real quick and make sure it stays out more than anything. And then after, I'm gonna be able to wide body it. So a couple things we gotta do. But yeah, we have started to we drilled at least 2 holes, and then we have a couple more that we need to do. So the holes are gonna get bigger, first of all. So these are just the first 2 holes, bro. So I'm gonna get it to the point where I'm gonna be able to drop the wide body into the holes, basically, from that point. So right now, I'm just in mock-up stages. I just wanna mock it up, see what I can do. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. And then tomorrow, I'm probably gonna be like getting more into actually making the big holes for the rivets. So just stay in tune to what you see. What you see is what you get. I'm gonna start taking off that fender whatever thingy, that cheap ass wide body kit. Here's what I took off the other side. I cracked it at a wide body. I had a meat, but this is the old wide body kit that they decided to put on mint, right? This is mint, right? This is the kit that they tell them don't do that again, bro. Tell them don't do that again, please. Tell them never do that shit again. Don't, bro, never, bro. It didn't break. Bullshivy. Don't do it. I don't know how that's so strong, but bullshivy. Don't do it. Don't do that shit. Don't do. No. Bad boy. No. Okay? Alright, y'all. We finna get to taking this motherfucker off, bro. This little shitty ass Amazon wide body is what it is. Yeah, bro. Don't ever put this shit on your shit, bro. Don't ever screw it in like this either, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how in this video how I put in wide body kits, and I'm also gonna be redoing my wing this way because I did not. I wanted to just yank this shit off, bro. I don't even care. Give me it. Give me the kits, bro. Give me this bullshit. Give me this bullshit. Take this shit off. Get off. Get the fuck off this car, bro. Get off. Get off. Get off, you fucking shit box. guys, so we have definitely mocked it up. So what I'm gonna do today, bro, like I said, bro, I'm gonna try to at least do 2 holes today, and then um just on the wide body itself, I'm gonna try to do 2 holes. So basically, um I'm gonna try to do 4 holes today in general. We're gonna see, what time is it actually. It's 10 for me. What do y'all think, bro? Y'all think, yeah. So I'm gonna try to put 2 in there since I mocked up both of these. Um, and then maybe I'll time lapse me like just drilling the holes or not. I know it's not really the best lighting out here, but just like I did these 2, I'm just gonna drill it in so I could probably take it to a car meet tomorrow so they could see the new wide body kit or whatever, and then I can have it out there with the wide body kit, and then basically it just looks wide body kitted up, I guess, bro. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna just mock it up basically. So I'm gonna just try to get 4 in right now. Hopefully I could get all this done before 11. I'm also gonna turn my car around and then do the other side. So hopefully I could get this all done before 11, and then we could finish up the rest tomorrow. So the rest tomorrow would be me riveting all the screws and all the stuff actually into the body, which is way bigger holes. And then another thing is I have to spray the metal that I cut because I don't want it to rust again. So yeah, that's the goal. But so far you can see it is mocked up to the light. I think it's in the right spot that I would think that it needs to be in right now. I don't think I'm going to take off my lights for this one, but it's definitely going to be in the right spot. I think it looks perfect where it is. I'm going to push this down for you to show you guys that that is there. And then I could do a liner on this, but I think I'm going to just do raw body with this one. Because I don't want to spend a lot of money on this build. Extra little $20 here and there. I could do that on mine, but on this build now. We just want to basically have a basic thing. If you guys pan over this way, you might see something. If you don't see it, I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah. So if you saw it, then you saw it. If you didn't, then you didn't. Wait a couple weeks and that will be getting put on as well. If you did not see it, I'm really sorry, bro. Like it's kind of noticeable, but there's really a whole lot of junk over there. But it's definitely there. What I'm talking about is definitely there, bro. So it's definitely gonna get done after this wide body kit. So this wide body kit is basically only one moment or one, you feel me, thing that's happened or that's going to happen on this car. So I don't know, you know. Yeah. So just stay attention to what you see. What you see is what you get. And maybe I'll time lapse me what's it called? Drilling the holes, but I don't think I need to, just because I don't want to drag this on too long. But this is going to be a pretty long video, I'm not going to lie, so I'm definitely going to do that. All right, guys, so I did get the second wide body in. I low-key have to run in my house to get my keys, but hold on. But after I get my keys, I'm gonna be able to turn this around. I'm gonna turn this around. So I did get both of them in how I need to, just for now, just a mock-up. I'm gonna start to do the other holes tomorrow because I just think it's gonna be like brighter. I get to go outside. I could take it outside real quick after I'm done. No. And I'm going to, yeah, I just want to mock it up. So I did 2 holes. Since the holes have to get bigger, this is just a mock up. I have to be really careful because I have to take off the wide body kit again to make the holes because the holes are going to be bigger, obviously. Because I'm going to be using this for my big holes, okay? So I'm just really making the middle hole that I need. I'm going to have to like really be really careful. So I'm going to be doing like 1 hole at a time-ish. So that's why I'm starting with the 2. Starting with the 2. If I could go to the wide body just with the 2, I mean to the car meet with 2, that's fine. That's perfect. And then I could just clean this up during the week or whatever on my own free time, off video, whatever. But I will show you guys at least me riveting 1/2 of it. But yeah, I would at least rivet maybe tomorrow or another day, depending on how my day is, because I get really, really busy. So, but the thing is, I'm definitely not going to keep it like this because this is just on, basically, if you guys look right here, check out my latest video if you guys want to know information on this car. Like, shut the fuck up, get on my chat, bro. Thank you. So I would never leave it like this because that is just foul and that's not what you're supposed to do. This came with actually my polyurethane lip. And I guess that's what they expect you to just screw into there and just that's it. But I'm going to be using riv nuts because look, as you can see, that could come out really easy if it starts to just not be the screw size. And if you take it out, put it back in, take it out, put it, it's just not ideal for what you would want to do. But I did get 1 screw in on this side and then another on that side, and that is fully down right there. One thing I would say is you see that like little imperfection in the line. You would usually put a liner over it, and I would say whatever owner gets it can actually put the liner in between this so that it closes this gap, all these gaps all the way, because that's what really cleans that up. That's how I clean mine up. I didn't really like that gap, but I'm just gonna leave it like that, bro, because it is what it is. So yeah. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna now flip the car so I could do the other side, just 2 on the other side. And I'm gonna try to get back in the crib and just relax for the rest of the day, I hope. So yeah. All right, guys. So I did start the other side. So if you can't, well, obviously you can't see right now, but this side is definitely wide as fuck. It really looks good, I'm not gonna lie. So we got basically this side in. I still have a lot to do to actually put it in fully, but it's in for what it is. That motherfucker is wide-bodied. You feel me? Wide-bodied, boy. But yeah, we got that mug coming together, and we still have some more stuff to push down. So I got to do basically the same thing, mock it up on this side. I already mocked it up on this side. I think this line looks really nice, bro. Look how, like, you see that line, bro? That's perfect. That's perfectly matched up, bro. That's how you got to do it. Look at that. Boom. Beautiful body line right there. So, perfectly lined up into that. It's supposed to get pushed down, obviously, right there. Boom. Nasty, bro. So, we got that going. And then we got to do the rear. And we're done for today. And then we're going to work on this maybe like 6 a.m. tomorrow. Depending on what time I wake up, bro. Not 6 a.m. I don't know. Well, depending on what time I wake up. You'll see. Just want to make y'all cringe a little bit. There's gonna be a lot more. This is just day one. This is just day one. Day two consists of this one. So this is the one we're doing today versus the one we're gonna have to do tomorrow. Yep, that's tomorrow. Y'all ready? Look how big the difference is. I'm ready. Yo, this wide body made it look really nice, bro. It's coming together. No more ugly fenders and ugly fitment. All that shit getting covered, bro. All them fenders was ugly as fuck, bro. And all that shit looks good now. Like clean ass body line, bro. Why would this bug ever be on my shirt right now? Fuck you. Die. Anyways. But yeah, no, this wide body looking mean right now, especially with the black. I can't wait to take it out tomorrow for some shit, bro. Just pictures and stuff like that. All right, bro. But stay in tune, bro, to this wide body kit getting done, finished, put in, finito. She coming together, though. She coming. She coming, bro. Just wait. Wait on it. Wait on it. Wait on it. Be patient. She coming together. Slowly but surely.
Hey, Critch.